Thank you for purchasing this LED electronic sign. I just want to take a minute and go over a few of the items and product descriptions, so when you guys get this, it'll make a little bit more sense to you. So to start off, this is what the sign looks like when it's laid down and turned off. You'll notice that we've got the black frame, which the LED, the yellow box sign sits in. We've got two actuators, one on each side. This is the actuator control plug-in. They have fittings that you can unplug, take apart if you need to work on the sign, or replace a part. Pretty easy to work on. You'll notice there's a connection on each side of the sign. There's two actuators, like I said. There's also three other ports at the base of the sign, and we'll go over those in just a minute. In the event that you need to replace or fix any of the LED panels, it's built into two sections with doors on each side, and if you just simply flip the latches, it allows you to open up the sign to get inside to replace or work on anything that breaks. We'll go ahead and latch that back up. Now we'll go over the different parts that will come with it. You'll get a power cord. It's going to be the heaviest gauge wire. It's going to have a connection, silver connection, that will plug into one of these ports with a pigtail that's going to be loose, and you'll need to hook that up to your power supply. You're going to get a handheld control box. It's silver with the on-off switch and the sign selector as well. It will have a twist-on connector with the box. Your next cable is going to be your data connection cable, which you will be able to hook up to your computer and program the sign to display whatever message you want. Now, it's come with three already loaded messages in there: the route survey sign, the oversized load sign, and the Canada D sign. So you shouldn't need this unless you want to program some of your own signs into it. In the event that you do, there's another connection that will basically take and convert it from a serial port to a USB port, which will allow you to connect it to your USB connection on your computer. But for now, we're not going to go over that. That's for a different video. So let's hook this thing up and show you how it works. We're going to take our power supply cord with the silver connection, and it will fit only one way. There's a groove on it, and it lines up with the other groove on the male side. Twist that on till it's snug. We're also going to hook up the control box to the other port, and we'll twist that until it fits. Screw that on tight, and we'll lay that to the side. Now, for display purposes, I'm going to hook this up to a battery, to the battery supply that I've got, kind of a battery pack. It's 12 volt, which the system runs on 12 volt. And I'm going to come over here so you guys can see the sign. I'm going to grab the controller. I'm going to flip the switch, and you'll see that the sign will turn on. In order to raise the sign, there is another cable that comes with, it's already hooked up and does not come apart. But this is your on-off, this is your raise and lower switch. You'll need to hook this up to the toggle switch that we provide with you. You can put this anywhere on the vehicle, but this is the up and down switch. It's simply a reverse polarity switch. So up, you would connect the hot leads one way, and to reverse it, you would just simply connect the hot leads another way. So I'm going to raise this sign up so you guys can see it. Now once the sign is in the up position, they will stop by themselves. The actuators will not go past a set position. So once it's in the up position, now we can go ahead and control the signs and see which ones we've got here. Obviously we've got the Canada D sign, and of course it's displayed on the front and rear. Now we have the route survey sign. If I simply click on the switch button and hold it down until it changes signs, that's how you select the sign. Okay, there's some other signs in here that have been programmed in. I just left those in there. If you guys want to change them out, we can certainly help you do that. So that's it. Pretty simple and basic. Once you're done using the sign, there's an on-off switch on the silver box. You can turn it off, and you can turn it on. So it does have an on-off switch. If you want to leave it in the up position, you can. Otherwise, you would simply flip the switch and lower the sign to its resting position. And once it's all the way down, it will stop and be in the resting position. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to call us, but hopefully this video has helped you understand the basics of this sign and how to hook it up and get it working.